Going live on Instagram is one of the best ways to connect with your audience in real time, share your story, and boost engagement. If you're wondering how to post a live on Instagram, you're about to discover just how simple and powerful this feature can be. Whether you're looking to host a Q&A, showcase a product, or simply hang out with your followers, going live is the perfect way to bring your community together. First things first. Open up the Instagram app and log into your account. From the home screen, swipe right or tap the plus icon at the bottom center. Then select the Live from the options at the bottom of the screen. Before you go live, take a moment to check your lighting and surroundings. Good lighting and a tidy background help you look professional and keep your viewers focused on you. Once you're ready, tap the big circular button to start your broadcast. Instantly, your followers will receive a notification that you're live, prompting them to join in and watch. While you're live, you'll see the number of viewers at the top of your screen, and you'll be able to read and respond to their comments in real time. This is your chance to interact, answer questions, and acknowledge your supporters. The more you engage with your viewers, the more connected they'll feel, and the more likely they are to stick around for the whole session. But the magic of Instagram Live doesn't stop there. You can invite other users to join your live session, creating a split-screen experience that's perfect for interviews, collaborations, or just having fun with friends. Simply tap the Invite button and select a viewer to join you. This adds a dynamic element to your broadcast and can help you reach new audiences as your collaborators' followers tune in. You can also use filters and effects to add a creative touch to your live video, keeping things visually interesting and on brand. When you're ready to wrap up your live session, just tap End at the top right corner. Instagram will give you the option to save your live video to your profile or share it as a replay on your Instagram stories. This means followers who missed your live can still catch up, and your content continues to work for you even after the broadcast ends. But what about taking your Instagram Live to the next level? That's where Famety comes in. By partnering with Famety, you can supercharge your live sessions with boosted engagement, more likes, more comments, and more viewers. Famety's services help you get noticed, amplify your reach, and grow your audience across all social media platforms. Whether you're a creator, brand, or business, Famety's solutions are designed to make your content shine and get the attention it deserves. And don't forget, going live is just the beginning. Promote your upcoming live session with eye-catching posts and stories, build anticipation by teasing what's to come, and interact with your audience before, during, and after your broadcast. Famety can help you with every step, from increasing your followers to maximizing engagement and optimizing your social media strategy. Remember, consistency is key. Go live regularly, experiment with different formats, and listen to your audience's feedback. The more you show up for your followers, the stronger your community will become. And with Famety's support, you're never alone. Our live support team is always ready to help you get the most out of every broadcast. So next time you're ready to connect with your audience, don't hesitate to go live on Instagram. With Famety by your side, your social media journey is limitless. Start your next live session today and watch your community and your influence grow like never before.